Here we have our last of the big long ones, and you can see a lot of damage here. Now we were looking at photos the other night, looking for some other photos, and I realized that I had photos of the front and they showed the corner. So I don't know if you can see that, but this is the corner piece right here. So it goes around that corner. It's a short piece, about 3 foot long. You can see the damage in here is severe. And we pulled this piece off here. We're going to have to pull all these off this side. So we got lots of work here. We have a panel here, and I have enough good stuff that I can create another panel over there. So I'm going to have a panel on each side of this one. But all this has to come off. We'll take it right down to here. And then the board's underneath, and all this gets replaced because it's gone on the other end anyways. So let's start some repair. We already started brushing it off, and I already cut that piece over there, but hopefully put it on tomorrow night because I don't have it with me now.